Chip Evanoff here, L3 Construction. Man, we are making some progress. I can't wait to show you this update. We got guys from Rivertown here getting final electrical wrapped up. Tile guys are just setting backsplash. Countertops just went in. Guys are just doing layout right now for the backsplash. Everything is coming right along. Vanity is set. Gotta go get some stuff to put the top on. Get the light in. Plumbing goes in on Tuesday. Most of the millwork's done. We're waiting for a special order glass door here on this office. Gonna get their TV hung today, so they got something for the weekend. Paint will be done after the holidays, but at least they got a great living space and a functional kitchen. We got a bunch of backstock down here. We're gonna do this basement part after New Year's, give them a little reprieve for the holidays. So keep up to date here. I will shoot another video on Tuesday and we'll try to get that out for you before the end of the day as well on what it's gonna look like all finished up. And then after the New Year's break, then we will do another video as we get closer to finish on this. So really happy with everything. We are several weeks ahead on the schedule. Super happy with everybody, all of our subs, all of our team members. Very grateful today. See y'all next time.